That snow across Arizona on Tuesday resulted in an air rescue by the Arizona National Guard. Video from them here. A Black Hawk crew with Arizona Army National Guard rescued 3 stranded climbers in snow-covered Harbo Canyon in Sedona on Tuesday. U.S. Army pilot Captain Shannon Lancaster, along with her crew, hoisted up the climbers and flew them to a command post where emergency responders transported them to a local hospital. Captain Lancaster and her crew also hoisted up 4 members of a local rescue team in the canyon as well. Again, a snow rescue for climbers and their rescuers out in Arizona on Tuesday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.